Well, today we're supposed to be going to the Progressive International Motorcycle Show, but the problem is it rained this morning and it's supposed to continue raining more. So we were on our way and we got more rain and we're like, what the heck, man? So we decided we didn't want to spend all that money to go stand in the rain, because if you watched my previous video, you know we already got caught in the rain in a motorcycle. So yeah. So what are we doing now, Randallin?
I'm gonna go to DeKalb and pick up my nephew.
Yeah, we're going to DeKalb, pick up my mother-in-law and my nephew, and we're going to go shopping and spend some time with them instead, because they were supposed to come with us. So now we have nothing to do, so we're going to go find ways to entertain ourselves. And we might end up with some new fish, because I finally set up my fish tank after 3 years of not using it. So we're going to go play around and maybe buy some fish. See you in a bit. So we got everybody packed up in the car. What are we doing today, Jacob? We're gonna go get some fish for Aunt Randa and Uncle Robert. That's right. You ready, Karen?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, we're ready? All right, let's hit the road.
Too.
You're ready too?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
All right. And this is why we didn't go to the motorcycle show. You can see the rain clouds, and it's been raining here, and thank God we didn't waste $54 for nothing, because I am not walking around in the rain. Oh well, at least we're in a car now and we're having some fun. So we're driving around aimlessly. What have we done so far, Jacob?
Got some groceries now.
We ate lunch and got some groceries, and now we're doing what?
Fish.
We're gonna go get some fish probably. You having fun yet, Randallin? Karen?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's so much fun, just driving around aimlessly trying to avoid rain, but it's been raining. So it's a good thing we didn't go waste our money. So now we're gonna go, yeah, probably find some fish, but we have a few other things to do first. We're randomly driving through the country, and suddenly we come across a whole bunch of Corvettes at what is this? A distillery. They make whiskey here. I can't remember the name of it. I think it's called Whiskey Acres. But there's a Corvette Club here. Dang! The thing. Ooh, nice stingray. The things we find on the side of the road. I'm gonna go find some more. Got another Corvette over there, and got a couple over here. This is the Chicago Corvette Club is what this is, and they're all having a drink. So we got to see some pretty cars along the way. I love living out in the middle of nowhere, because people come from the big city and ride on down. So now I'm gonna get heading back to where we're going and go buy some fish. So we're back in our car, and we left Jacob and his mom and Karen in their car, because we're heading home after this. What are we doing?
Gonna go find some pig stuff.
We could go find some pig stuff. What? Oh, we're at the Hobby Lobby. So we're gonna go shopping at the Hobby Lobby first, and then what are we gonna do?
Get some crickets.
Get some crickets? Why do we need crickets?
For the lizard.
Oh, we have to feed our lizard. And then what are we doing?
Maybe find some fish.
Get some goldfish, or whatever we end up with. We don't know what we want yet, so yeah, we're gonna go do that. Christmas already? It's August. Oh my God, I hate Christmas. So we let Jacob pick out 20 fish. I was trying to get him picking them out, but there's too many people around. So we got 20 goldfish, feeder fish, and we got 25 crickets for Fred. We're good to go?
Yes.
All right, I'll show you what they look like when we get them in the tank.
Look at them.
Look, it's Mickey.
Look.
Don't pull on that. It's Mickey.
Look at.
We need to get a Mickey. Oh, there's another cute little Mickey.
That's a hamster.
I know, but it looks like a Mickey. This is a fancy mouse. Those are Mickeys. That's a hamster.
Was.
Fancy bear hamster. These are snake food. I mean, wonderful pets. I love mice. There's a, you want to get a mouse?
Yes.
The Randallin says no. So we made it home, and I made the mistake of stopping by the Hispanic supermarket. Pork cooked for $4.99 a pound. It is so good. But right now we're floating the fish until we release them, and then we'll show you that. But this pork is so good. Well, we got some fish in the tank. You can't really see them because they went straight for the bottom. They're in there somewhere. There's like 20 goldfish in the tank. So that's that. We got them home. We got them in the tank. Yeah, 55-gallon tank with 20 little bitty goldfish in it. That's a whole lot of fish for such a small tank, but I'm sure they're going to die because at 18 cents a piece, they're not going to be, yeah, they usually get eaten by other fish. So that's that. So go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Share it, comment on it, hit the notification bell. Make sure you hit the like button. I think I already said that, but I can't remember. So yeah, thanks for watching.